So you want to learn how to set up a break on Whatnot the right way. This tutorial will walk you through everything step by step, so make sure to watch till the end because I will share a few important tips that can help you avoid common mistakes. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Whatnot seller account. Once you are logged in, schedule a show like you normally would. After scheduling the show, open that show so you can start setting up your break. Inside your show setup, make sure you're on surprise set. Do not select offers, pendings, or auction at this stage. Once you are on surprise set, tap add. You will now see three options: create temporary listing, create quality listing, create surprise set. Click on create surprise set. Next, choose how buyers will purchase. Like buy now, best for ignores auction, viewers bid on the product. So in this video, I will explain buy it now since the steps are almost the same for auction. Now you need to enter your surprise set name. Here's the tip: use an intriguing name that makes people want to click. Next, add a description. You can include details like price, number of items, or what buyers can expect. After that, tap on manage product. On this screen, enter the buy-in price, the number of product. For example, buy-in price $45, and items is item A, item B, item C. Quantity is a thing eat. Once everything looks good, tap on confirm. Next, select your product type based on your category. Now choose a shipping profile. If you already have one, just select it. If you don't have a shipping profile yet, don't worry, you can create one by entering weight in pounds or ounces, product details, then save it and continue. Now you need to finally tap create surprise set, and that's it. Your break is now live. You will now see options to manage product, spin the surprise set, auto randomize, quick spin, assign items, manage assignments. These tools help you run your break smoothly during the show. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.